test the file, test the hardness. But as you can see, it's hard enough. You see the texture. But sometimes you can't see much, you know. But look over these poker things, right? You see them? It's very hard as well.